Good morning, Reception.
Hi Reception, and welcome to this week's home learning. We are carrying on with our topic, Gosh and Wow.
Okay, so this week we're going to be reading The Mixed Up Chameleon by Eric Carle. You have a link that you can click on and listen to the story yourselves on YouTube. It's a really lovely story. We're going to be then afterwards looking at the different animals that the chameleon wants to turn into. You've got a little picture here on the right. It's called a diagram. Remember, a diagram is a picture that we use very much so in non-fiction books, don't we? You'll have it at the end of this story. And we would like you to have a look at it and then see the different animals that this diagram has in it. After that, you might want to make your own diagram of your favorite animal. It could be a chameleon, it could be anything you wish. Remember to label it. That's what makes it a diagram.
And then at the bottom of your screen, we have got our keywords for next week. So these are the words that we are going to be learning to read and to write next week. We are in phase 4 of our phonics at the moment. So you can have a practice of those, noticing them in your books or in the environment. And then we've also got some sounds that we are looking at. We are looking at blends of consonants that are at the beginning and ends of words usually. So you'll see ft, nk and sk. So if you could have a practice of those as well, that would be great. And then in maths this week, we are consolidating some of our understanding. That means we're going over it again and we're practicing our work with 10 frames. So this weekend, we'd really like you to either draw or make a 10 frame. Remember, you don't have to draw on paper, you can make it with sticks, anything at all. You might even have a cake tin that has 10 holes, that would be perfect as well. And then use objects or draw in your 10 frame and find as many ways of making 10 as you can. So on the screen you can see we've got 6 red counters and 4 black counters. And the number sentence underneath shows us that we could write that down as 6 add 4 equals 10. So first of all we want to make our 10 bond, then say what it is, and then write it down. And how many ways can you find? Remember to share your learning on Teams. Last week we sent you your new Teams logins, so make sure you're using that. We haven't had any yet this week, so we'd love to see your learning next week, please.
Please.
Have a lovely week, and remember Monday is a bank holiday, so we will see you on Tuesday.
Take care, Reception. Bye-bye.